don't do that, don't do that.
Makaingon sa siya mga anak, pwede naman ibuhaton, kani ayaw lang, kani exercise po, kani ayaw na po.
And they may learn something.
Kung makatuon sila, niya na,
But if I talk to them about who they are and I change their hearts, then their decision will change and they won't do those things.
kung iyang istorya nga na, kung sa ilang kinabuhi, ilang kasing-kasing, pwede nila desisyonan sa ilang kinabuhi.
So the most important thing for us is to know who we are and our ability to say no to sin. That will prevent us from sin.
Sinahanglan nato mainan kung kinsa ta, aron malikayan nato mga tentasyon nga moabot sa itong kinabuhi.
Because there comes this revelation, which is that actually the reason I keep sinning is because there is something wrong with my heart.
Kaya pag ipadaya sa tuwa sa Dios nga unsay ngano makatintag ta kay tungod unsay sitwasyon sa atong kasing-kasing.
And then we realize when we read the Bible that actually God has actually dealt with the heart, which means that now my actions can change.
Kaya ang Dios iyang ginatira ang atong kasing-kasing para mausab ang atong buhaton sa atong kinabuhi.
Okay? So it says this in Ezekiel. It talks about how God is going to take our heart of stone and give us a heart of flesh.
So mao ni gihisgutan ni Ezekiel nga tanggalon niya itong kasing-kasing nato nga bato ug pulihan niya ang humog ng kasing-kasing.
It means He's actually going to change our very desires. So instead of us wanting to live out one way, we start to live out another way.